In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a job as a fresher in Salesforce using LinkedIn and Indeed. Whether you're a recent graduate or transitioning to a new career, these steps will empower you to confidently navigate the job market and increase your chances of landing that first role. So, let's dive right into it. First off, let's focus on LinkedIn, which is a fantastic platform to showcase your skills and connect with potential employers. Begin by creating a strong LinkedIn profile. Your headline is crucial and should clearly convey what you're looking for. For instance, you can use something like Salesforce Fresher or Admin Developer Trainee. This immediately tells anyone visiting your profile exactly what you're aiming for. Next, enrich your profile by adding relevant Salesforce skills. This includes any trailhead badges or certifications you've earned, which serve as tangible proof of your capabilities and learning. They don't just enhance your profile visually, but also show employers that you've invested time in your development. Additionally, upload a resume that is rich in keywords. It's essential to highlight any projects or trailhead work you've completed. This resume will not only speak to your hands-on experience, but will also align with the kinds of roles you're targeting. Now, once your profile is polished, head over to the Jobs section on LinkedIn. In the search bar, you'll want to enter terms like Salesforce Fresher, Salesforce Intern, or Entry-Level Salesforce. These search terms will narrow down the opportunities that are most relevant to your current level of experience. An efficient way to apply on LinkedIn is by using the Easy Apply feature. It allows you to swiftly submit applications without navigating away from the site. This is especially useful if you are applying to several positions and want to streamline the process. Now let's turn our attention to Indeed, another potent resource for job seekers. Start by going to Indeed.com and creating your profile. Again, uploading your resume is vital, and ensure that it's filled with pertinent Salesforce-related keywords. This helps your profile stand out to employers using search filters. In the Find Jobs section, you should use search terms like Salesforce Intern, Junior Salesforce Admin, or simply Salesforce Fresher. These keywords are key to uncovering roles that match your qualifications and career goals. Don't forget to use filters to narrow down your search by location or remote roles, depending on your preference or flexibility. Being specific about your location can help you find jobs that are more geographically feasible, considering commuting times or your desire to work remotely. Finally, once you identify jobs that align with your skills and career trajectory, apply directly to them. Tailor your application where possible to highlight specific achievements or skills that match the job description. And there you have it, a structured approach to finding a Salesforce role as a fresher using both LinkedIn and Indeed. By actively managing your profiles and target searches, you position yourself as a strong candidate ready for opportunities. Good luck and happy job hunting.